The Heavy Expanded Mobility Tactical Truck, or HEMTT, is one of the most recognizable military trucks in the United States Army. Built to handle extreme loads and harsh terrains, this 8-wheel drive, diesel-powered vehicle has become the backbone of American logistics on the battlefield.
The new Goer.
The story of the HEMTT begins in the late 1970s. At that time, the U.S. Army relied heavily on the M520 Goer, a unique but outdated amphibious cargo vehicle. While the Goer was innovative in its design, it struggled with reliability, speed, and overall performance in modern operations. The Army needed a new heavy tactical truck, one that could carry large payloads, tow artillery, and keep up with the rapid pace of mechanized warfare. In 1981, Oshkosh Defense was awarded the contract to produce this new generation of heavy tactical trucks. The result was the M977 HEMTT, which officially entered service in 1982. With its powerful 8x8 drive, a payload capacity of 10 short tons, and an emphasis on durability, the HEMTT quickly became indispensable. The HEMTT was designed for versatility. It wasn't just one truck, it became a whole family of vehicles. The M977 Cargo variant could transport supplies and ammunition. The M978 served as a fuel tanker. The M985 provided heavy load handling, and specialized versions were created for recovery, wrecking, and even missile transport. From a technical perspective, the HEMTT is an 8-wheel drive truck, configured in an 8x8 layout. It is powered by a Detroit diesel 8V92TA engine, producing around 445 horsepower in early models, coupled with an Allison automatic transmission. Later, 4 variants received a more powerful Caterpillar C15 engine, pushing 500 horsepower. The truck weighs over 16 tons empty and can carry a payload of up to 10 short tons, or about 9,100 kilograms. Its maximum speed reaches 100 kilometers per hour on roads, and it has an operational range of more than 480 kilometers. Designed for rough terrain, the HEMTT can ford water, climb steep grades, and operate in extreme environments from deserts to Arctic conditions. But what makes the HEMTT family so unique is its range of specialized variants. M977 Cargo Truck, the baseline model used for transporting ammunition, supplies, and general cargo. M978 Tanker, a fuel carrier equipped with a 2,500-gallon tank to resupply vehicles and aircraft. M983 Tractor, a prime mover used to tow heavy loads, including Patriot missile launchers and radar systems. M984 Wrecker, a recovery vehicle equipped with cranes and winches to recover damaged or stuck vehicles. M985 Cargo Truck with crane. Designed for heavy cargo handling, often used for ammunition resupply. M977 LHS, a load handling system variant capable of carrying flat racks and containers, improving rapid logistics. Each of these versions plays a critical role in ensuring that US and Allied forces remain mobile and supplied during operations. One of its most significant roles came with the Patriot missile system. The HEMTT was chosen as the prime mover for the launcher and support vehicles, proving its importance in both logistics and frontline operations. Throughout the Cold War, the HEMTT became a symbol of American military readiness. It was deployed in Europe, prepared to resupply NATO forces against any potential Warsaw Pact aggression. When the Gulf War broke out in 1991, the HEMTT showed its true worth. Crossing the deserts of Kuwait and Iraq, it kept US and coalition forces supplied with ammunition, fuel, and essential equipment. As decades passed, the HEMTT continued to evolve. Later models were upgraded with better armor protection, air-conditioned cabs, advanced suspensions, and more powerful engines. The A2 and A4 variants introduced improvements to meet the challenges of modern conflicts, from the Balkans to Iraq and Afghanistan. The HEMTT's combat history is equally impressive. From the deserts of Kuwait and Iraq during Operation Desert Storm to the mountains of Afghanistan and the urban battlefields of Iraq, the HEMTT has proven itself as a reliable workhorse. What makes the HEMTT remarkable is its balance of raw power and reliability. Capable of carrying 10 tons of cargo off-road, it can also tow trailers and artillery pieces. Its large tires and all-wheel drive allow it to traverse mud, sand, and rough terrain that would stop most vehicles in their tracks. Today, the HEMTT remains in active service, not only with the United States Army, but also with allied militaries around the world. More than 35,000 units have been produced, and it shows no sign of being retired anytime soon. For over 4 decades, the HEMTT has been more than just a truck. It has been the lifeline of the battlefield, delivering fuel, ammunition, and supplies where they are needed most. Whether supporting missile batteries, towing heavy artillery, or keeping mechanized divisions moving forward, the HEMTT has earned its place as one of the greatest military trucks ever built.
Modern look in military transport. It's the United States Army M977 series heavy expendable...
Constant upgrades have kept it modern. The A2 and A4 series added improved armor kits for crew protection against mines and small arms fire, digital control systems, and stronger engines to handle heavier loads. For over 40 years, it has carried fuel, ammunition, weapons, and the lifeblood of military operations. And that's the story of the heavy expanded mobility tactical truck, over 4 decades of service, and still going strong. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about the world's most powerful military truck. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.